Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your speakers or microphone settings in Google Meet. So here, as you can see, I've already opened the Google meet.google.com on my PC, and then if you want to change its settings at the speaker and microphone, just follow this steps. So as you know, if you start a meeting using a mismatched microphone or external speaker, it may cause an echo, and it is recommended that to use the headset or headphone that you have. So I'm going to change the settings. So here, click on the settings at the top, and then here on the left you can see there's audio, video, and then general setting. Click on audio, and you can see there are two settings that you can change: a microphone and also the speakers. So here you can just change the settings. So microphone, you can choose between the microphones that is provided or present in your device, and also the speakers like this. You can also test your speaker like this. I think it's pretty good, right? Okay, so when you're done, you can just close the settings like so. Okay, so I think that's all. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial.